Hello students, hope all of you are doing well. I think all of you have got the videos based on the first chapter of your biology, that is nutrition in plants. I think I have covered all the topics from that chapter except the activities. Today I am going to discuss about those activities. Your first activity is chlorophyll is very much essential for photosynthesis. For this experiment, what we have to take? We have to take a potted plant with variegated leaves, suppose croton, alcohol, beaker, test tube, iodine solution and watch glasses. Now what we will do? First we will take a potted plant with variegated leaves and we will put it in a dark room for consecutive 3 days. Then we will take it out and put that potted plant in the sunlight for 6 hours. After that, we will pluck a leaf from the potted plant and we will test it for the starch. Now, what is the procedure? First, we will take that leaf from the potted plant and we will put it in the boiling water for consecutive 2 minutes. Then what we will do? We will take out that leaf from the boiling water and we will put it in a test tube containing alcohol. But directly we will not heat the test tube because we know that if we heat it directly, it can catch fire as it contains alcohol. That is why what we will do? We will put that test tube in a beaker containing water and we will boil it till the leaf loses its green color. Then we will take out the leaf from the test tube and we will wash it with clean water. Then we will put the leaf in a watch glass and we will add 2 to 3 drops of iodine solution on it. Then what we will observe? We will observe that the green portion of the leaf turns blue-black color while the non-green portion of the leaf remains unchanged. Now I am going to show you the diagram of this experiment. This one is the potted plant. From here we will take a leaf. We will put it in a beaker containing water. We will boil it for 2 minutes. After that, we will put the leaf in a test tube. The test tube, we will keep it in another beaker containing water and we will heat that. After that, we will take out the leaf and we will wash it with clean water. Then we will put the leaf in the watch glass. This one is the watch glass. We will keep it inside the watch glass and we will put few drops of iodine solution on it. Then what we will observe? That the green portion of the leaf turns into blue-black color and the non-green portion of the leaf remains unchanged or pale yellowish in color. This shows that this portion of the leaf contains starch. That is why it reacts with iodine solution and turns blue-black in color. And this portion does not contain starch. That is why after reacting with iodine solution, it remains unchanged. The color remains unchanged. So we can conclude that chlorophyll is very much essential for photosynthesis.